thank you to each and everyone in this hall, especially all my supporters and sponsors who have supported me a lot in that short period of time. And I know that there is tons to do. I need to support, and this is not a support for me, it's actually a support, need to support and integration for everyone, to platform, to share and help each other, promote your businesses, and support your community. And it's not community about only your specific community, it's about multicultural community. Because we are living in the multicultural country, Canada. I would like to say heartily thankful to my wonderful MCs, Nishi Khan and Tahira